Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint of this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, of course. Then let's scroll down in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the fingerprint, and as you can see it may be quite confusing, but right now we have to set the screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently applied, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now because it's for the safety. If for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. You won't have to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So it's important. You will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. So let me tap on the pattern, for example. Let me draw it, redraw it, and confirm. You can decide what kind of lock, what kind of notification content you want to show. Just mark it and tap on done. And here we've got the animation, the instruction that we have to set up our fingerprint on the sensor, which will be on our device, I mean on the screen. So let's simply tap on start. Here we've got our sensor, so let me put my finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. And try to catch every corner for better recognition. As you can see, this sensor is quite sensitive because it really catches the duplicated area. So, alright, we just successfully added the fingerprint. You can add another or simply tap on done. We've got the options which are connected with the fingerprint. So here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. The unlock option, which is active by default, you can of course turn it off if you don't want to use the fingerprint for unlocking. You can also use it for privacy and app encryption. Here you can basically customize the animation styles, for example. You can check which one you like the most and simply apply it. So just maybe this one, tap on apply. Okay. We've got the icon patterns, so again you can also change it, up to you. You can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon on the off screen, and well, yeah, I think this option is quite useful. This is the fingerprint we just added. You can rename it just by tapping on it, or you can remove it here. You can add another fingerprint. I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. You can verify the fingerprint, so it will be useful if you've got more than one fingerprint, because after tapping on it, you will see the list of all fingerprints, and after putting particular fingers on the sensor, your device will tell you which fingerprint it is. So you can, for example, remove some of them which you don't want to use, you don't want to have them safe. You've got on-screen fingerprint instructions also, and a privacy statement. Alright, enough of talking. Let me lock the device. Let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. Alright, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.